doing is replacing the wires on this 1998 Honda CRV. So bought these Rock Auto online for like $10.30. First thing I did is I took them out of the box and I arranged them from shortest wire to the longest wire. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking them out one at a time and replacing them with the corresponding length. So I just took out the first one and I took out the second one all the way out. And before I do anything else, I'm going to replace the second one with this one, the corresponding length. Of course, make sure the ends are clean. I had them laid on the ground, so a little sand might have got on them or whatever, dirt. Make sure they're clean before you put them in. So if you can see, the wires are actually marked. There's a number 1 on this one. And look, this was the problem with the misfire in cylinder 1. I guess it was the wire. Who would have thought the last thing I changed? So in conclusion, the misfire happened to be just a bad wire. So I changed the spark plugs, the distributor cap, the rotor button, the ignition coil, and finally the wires. And hopefully this solved the problem. Well, I got a tune-up, I guess, out of it.